Hierdie manne het hulle self gaan oorgee. Hulle is geregtig om borg te kry.
Geregtig.
Ek wil praat
Bro,
oor
listen.
hongersnood.
Come on, pause. Yeah, geregtig. You get what I'm saying? My guy is geregtig. He is geregtig. I don't know what it means.
Yeah, South Africa first with Brady McCann. So for the people.
I hate Krikamba. I hate Kwara. I hate Zai Zai.
Honorable President, what is your legacy? What's your legacy as President of South Africa? And therefore we must go and look at the real facts. And if we go and look at the economy, we will see that when you became the president in 2018, the growth rate, the economic growth rate was 1.3%. Last year, it was 0.9%. So under your leadership, the economy just retreated backwards, causing havoc for the people of South Africa.
Fact number 1.
We had a meeting with you as leaders on Eskom, and you yourself said 20 years ago, Eskom was seen as one of the best electricity utilities in the world. Who destroyed Eskom? The ANC destroyed Eskom.
Fact number 2.
You were in charge of the war room to end load shedding. You failed. When you became president in 2018, the local currency against the dollar was nothing else than 11 Rand 55. Yesterday, it was 18 Rand 92. That's under your leadership.
Fact number 3, ladies and gentlemen. We counting, we keeping score, right? Let's go.
And if you go and look at the JSE and the loss of 22% in US dollars, while if you, for instance, look at the NASDAQ 100, they gained 147% under your term as leader, and the S&P 500 gained 75%. Those are the realities.
Number 4, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
If you go and look at the unemployment rate, when you became the president, the unemployment rate was 24%. It is now 32%. If you go and look at the youth, since you became president, and over the years, it increased with 20%, where the unemployment rate for the young people, the youth, at this moment is actually 64%.
Number 5. Yes. Destroying him only with facts, just pure facts alone, right?
I want to talk about corruption. Honorable Chairperson, or Speaker,
Can't believe it.
the President himself said that the ANC is accused number 1 when it comes to corruption. And I said, well, that's what the President said. And I said to yourself, but you are number 1 of accused number 1.
Facts only, bro. We'll see your feelings later, just pure facts. No wonder we all love him, right?
And now you have a number 2 who's also accused of corruption, but nothing happens. What happened with corruption in South Africa? The fact is that your Secretary General, Fikile Mabula, he said, okay. Fikile Mbalula, he said,
Bro, he did that on purpose. Because he can say Mbalula with ease. Listen to this, man. Oh,
Bula, he said, generally, Fikile Mabula, he said, okay. Fikile Mbalula, he said that they lied to protect the former president in terms of corruption.
yes.
the ANC misused its position to defend and to protect the previous president.
Yes.
Honorable President,
That's a fact number 6. Why Ramaphosa is a horrible president by yours truly.
if you look up at the wall there, you will see there's a banner of Parliament oversight and accountability. There was no accountability. There was no oversight. And it comes to you as well as the next president after Zuma. When they came to the Pala issue, it was this ANC in Parliament who protected you. Why? You said you did nothing wrong. Why didn't you come forward and be accountable to the people of South Africa?
Yes.
I want to quote what
We gotta put the glasses on now. He's bringing codes. I haven't, listen, no lies detected from the first moment till now. Peter Groenewald for president. VF Plus, please do the right thing.
Archbishop Bishop Stanley Magoba said. He said, and I quote, "It is frightening to realize that as a society, we've become so worn down by lies, corruption, and incompetence that we're no longer interested in finding out the truth. We've been captured by lies."
Yes.
Close quote.
The real
I
estate
want to
catch.
talk about crime in South Africa. Honorable President, in terms of the Global Organized Crime Index, South Africa now ranks 7th in the world, 3rd in Africa, because of mafia-styled criminal networks and organized crime syndicates. The murder rate when you became the president was 35.
Bro, let me show you something, guys. Do you see this forehead right here? Just right here next to me, man. Just right here. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, man. He's crying for help.
Per 100,000 of the population. It is now 45 per 100,000 of the population. U agbare president het in New York ontken dat daar so iets is soos plaasmoorde in Suid-Afrika. Ek moes 'n paar debatte met u gevoer het nadat u minstens erken het dat daar wel plaasmoorde is. En u het daarom 'n mate daarvan gesê dat u dit veroordeel. Agbare president, ons sê ons is almal
Imagine,
gelyk
bro. This used to be a minister, bro. Just imagine.
voor die reg. My vraag is, wat het gebeur in Groblersdal? Die agbare minister van polisie en die agbare minister van justisie gaan woon 'n gewone hofsaak by waar daar besluit moet word of daar byl gegee gaan word.
Oh, dog. That's that deep Afrikaans now. Hey. That's that deep Afrikaans, man. There's a whole lot of Afrikaans going on in the Freedom Front Plus. If you are considering to vote for Freedom Front Plus, just know there's a lot of Afrikaans going on. But, you know, great movement. I'm telling you, man. Telling you, they've translated their manifesto across all 11 languages in South Africa, including the San languages. Is it 12 or 11?
Het hulle nie werk om te doen nie? Hoekom gaan hulle soontoe? Hulle gaan soontoe want hulle het 'n politieke motief. En daardie motief is om die voorsittende beampte te intimideer. Daar word nou van 3 jong mense verwag om te gerapporteer het. Hulle het gerapporteer. Ek het persoonlik 'n klag gelê teen Julius Malema in 22 sowel as in 23.
My guy really has a problem with Juju, right?
Waar hy uitings maak van shoot to kill. And the revolutionary must not be scared or afraid
Yes.
to kill.
Yes.
Die klagtes is gelê. Hoekom word hy nie gearresteer nie?
That's what they say. That's what they say, though.
Hy ook gaan aansoek doen, verborg. U is besig onder u leierskap om ongelykhede te skep. Hierdie manne het hulle self gaan oorgee. Hulle is geregtig om borg te kry. Ek wil praat
Bro,
oor
listen,
hongersnood.
listen. Ramaphosa, yeah, gerechtig. You get what I'm saying? My guy is gerechtig. He is gerechtig. I don't know what it means. But Ramaphosa is gerechtig. You hear me? Man, I'm telling you, man. If you want to watch the whole video, the link is down in the description, ladies and gentlemen. All I can say is that Ramaphosa is gerechtig. Him and Paul Mashatile right there, who sends his goons to South Africans on the highway to beat you up. When they catch you in traffic and you beep to them, you're like, hey, they come outside with these goons and they beat you up. Die mensen is gerechtig. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. Stop playing with us. This is South Africa Fast with Radi Makatso. Kananelo, ladies and gentlemen. People don't love us, bro. The only person in 2029 who can take us out of this mess is Peter Groenewald. Only Peter Groenewald can do it for us. Everybody else, you know, just, they're all criminals. You know, they all doing favors for each other. And even with Peter Groenewald, I'm only basing it off result. If he ever did anything that would suggest otherwise, then we start questioning him. You know, we criticize him as much as we criticize Abu Ramaphosa, Abu Zuma and them. But he hasn't shown us that. What he showed to us is that he's able to save millions and millions of rands for South Africans through his correctional services ministry, where they have bakeries where the prisoners acquire skills to be able to build bread and get a chance when they finally get out to at least have a chance to know how to bake bread and start a bakery and move the bread. They are selling the bread in the prisons. They are producing their own food. I understand he also wants to do a lot of things, including woodwork or things like this. Amazing business. I'm happy about that. He's shown us that, you know what, I can do this. And that's all we need as South Africans. You don't need somebody to have a skin color that's black and look like you for them, you know, to sort you out. You need somebody who cares about the affairs of South Africa. High IQ stuff. Yeah, if you are dumb, you won't understand what we're talking about out here. South Africa Fast. Love you guys. I'm out of here.
Yeah, South Africa first with Rady Makatso. Hey, for the people.
I hate Krikamba. I hate Kwara Kwara. I hate Zai Zai.